Hello, welcome back. So for our lab 12, so we have to uh, upload our temperature and humidity result to our app. Okay, so first things you have to use the MQTT to publish the result for our temperature and humidity. So all you guys have an account for MQTT, so you may find our slides for 211 this one. So you have to register this account already. So you have to go to log in this for your equipment. Okay, so let me explain the process for today's lab. So we call the Cloud temperature and humidity meters, so you can have the result for our AIoT. Okay, so you have to assign to register your list account for this lab. Okay, so first you have to get your keys, but for the MQTT connection, but be careful, your password is not your password for this web. You must be to check your key, the authentication key is this one. Okay, active keys, so you can copy to our source code. Okay, so let me explain the source code for today's lab. Also, we have import the required package which we have used before, this one. Okay, MQTT client, because you use the client to publish your result to MQTT server. And we have the package library first to import, and then we have to build the object for the client. So we call available name client as our MQTT client object. So we use this function. Okay, so we have import these functions. Don't forget your client ID, weather server is this one, and also don't forget your password and your user ID and your password. And don't forget the password is you just creative and get the authentication active key, this one, just copy. And okay, so when we have your ID and environment is ready, so we have to use the client, this one, our object client, and also to get the connection. So because we in our site is client 伺服器. Okay, so we have to connect with our server and doing the same things. So we have the temperature, humidity, this one. Okay, and we use the publish to push the data up to the cloud. Okay, so let me have a more detail for our source code. So you know the pin tied network to get access to your Wi-Fi, and the package for the MQTT client, and also we import the DHT required. So the first 5 lines we import the required package for our source code, and we use the same diagram as the lab 11. So we use the pink D3 to get the temperature and the humidity result. And we have the client to build a client for MQTTC. And don't forget, put your name and your key here. Also, so here for the line 16 to line 20 is to get a connection with your serial phone. Okay, so you have done this before. Okay, so we have to connect our client to our server. Use the line 24 to client. Okay, to get to the MQTT servers. And we all doing the same things. Okay, we're doing the while statements. Okay, to get the sensor major from our D1, and we do to combine the result with the two digital number with temperature and humidity together. And don't forget, the most important thing is we have to get our client to publish to our MQTT, okay, your account and your code. Okay, so okay, later here. Okay, so when there's two app for the different iOS system. One is for Android, so you have to download the app for MQTT panel. Okay, so you have to check this one. Also, you have to, if you are using the iPhone, the iOS, so you may have the same app. So we call MQTT tool. Okay, so you have to install this app. Okay, so let us see to watch the video for the lab 12. So right now you can detect the temperature and humidity at your room and show the result on your console. But right now we are using the MQTT client to send the result to your app. Here is showing the result for the lab. For this app is Android systems, so you may download the app for your iPhone systems. Okay, so you can get the result from your D1 Mini. It will upgrade the temperature and humidity every 3 seconds. Okay, so that's all for today's lab. I hope you can enjoy doing the lab, and also to be careful, don't get sick. Okay, see you guys. Maybe we can have the 实体课程for the next week. I hope everything is fine for Taiwan. Okay, bye bye.